36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Fairway.
Good morning.
This is the People versus Ingrid Rice, ticket number SX4111363. Count one, no operator's license / multiple ops. Ticket number SP1448077. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, which is in default, accident, drive, failed to use due care and caution. There's also ticket number SP1313967. Count one, driver register on title vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, driver's license never acquired. And ticket number SP13. I think this is slow. Give me one moment. I think there's one ticket that I don't think it's both though. Ticket number SP1337927. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Good morning. Please say your name to the record.
Ingrid Rice.
Colleen Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Rice, there is a recommendation here from both the city and the state. At this time, my client is waiving her rights, asking the court to adopt those, and we ask the civil infraction on the city matter be set aside, the default.
All right, the court will set aside the default judgment. Client wish to proceed.
Your Honor, regarding that civil infraction, we'd stipulate to the face of the complaint for the recommended reduction.
Okay. All right, so the court will accept the admission of responsible as to count two on ticket number 077 and will amend that to limited access 6 to 10. As to the state ticket, your client wishes to avail herself to the offer.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Raise your right hand. Ms. Rice, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
No.
You don't swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Oh, yes. I really can't hear.
Okay, you can put your hand out. You had an opportunity to speak to the attorney about your case and your rights. We kind of did everything on the record. So do you remember that?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to September 12th, 2022 at 5:25 p.m. On that day's time, were you at or near I-96 and Outer Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have your operator's license?
Who? What is
Did you not-
operator like?
You think it is driver's license? Did you not have that?
Oh, no.
You're satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and amend count to fail to display. And you stipulate your probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So for the fail to display ticket, there is a fine of $200. And then for the limited access ticket, that fine is $135. Usually with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them, but because you have the misdemeanor mixed in, I'll give you till July 24th. I'm sorry. I'll give you to July 24th to pay that fine. Can you have it paid by then?
So I have to pay a total of like 400 almost?
You have to pay a total, it's It's 3:35.
I'm not gonna promise you because I'm not working and I do have bills. And my daughter's birthday is July 10th. That's passed away. So yeah.
So do you want to do community service in lieu of the fine?
Yeah. What community service would I have to do?
I don't know exactly what you would have to do, but it would be a total of 1 moment. It'd be about 35 hours of community service, and you would have to have it completed by July 24th.
Okay, I could do that.
All right. Do you have a pen and paper?
1 sec. Well, I'll use my notes. Yeah.
It'll be 33 hours. 33 hours.
Okay.
And you also got to come back to court on that date of July 24th. All right, so the phone number is, you're gonna call 313
313
965
965
8130.
8130.
And then her name is Miss Green. You call Miss Green, she'll set up your community service. And then you just have to come back on July 24th at 8:35 to show proof that you completed the community service.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just 20, it's gonna be a total of 33 hours.
Okay, 33 hours.
All right, did you have any questions?
No, thank you. Well, yes, I do. I wanted to know, okay, so remember last time we went to court? So I heard you say, I did hear you say some tickets got dismissed, but I wanted to know because I paid one of the tickets, because you just told me I had 3 more tickets to pay. And
you did have some other civil infractions. You might have paid those.
Okay, so this is all new?
These are some misdemeanors that you did not deal with.
Okay.
But
Okay.
you might have paid on some other, you had a lot of tickets.
Yeah, I know.
So you need to get a license and stop driving.
I am gonna get a license. I just, after that accident with my car, they totaled my car out, which it wasn't total. So I just been really
have a driver's license.
You know, because I was just doing things that I was supposed to do, and I should have did it the right way. So
it's right. I know you're quite young, but you're old enough to know better. You need to make better decisions. You're correct. These are poor decisions. And fortunately, you do have youth on your side, so you can turn all of this around and get yourself together. So the blessing is that you're so young, you can turn this all around, and this can just be a faint memory.
That's my goal.
Make it a reality. Do it. Do it. You can do it. Starting today. Okay.
Thank you.
Did you have any other questions?
No.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a blessed one.
You too, thank you.